Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 25th of February 2021 Shift 2 question. Question number 16. Sum of length of perpendicular drawn from the foci to any real tangent of hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is always greater or equal to a. Then find maximum value of a. So it's a memory based question and question. So here is a parabola, hyperbola is given whose tangent length of the perpendicular drawn from the foci of any tangent of hyperbola. So at first the hyperbola is, this is our x and y axis, these are the two axes x and y, and these are the hyperbola. So this is the foci, focus, so S, and it is S dash, and the tangent is just tangent is like that. Tangent is like that. So this is one tangent, and the perpendicular here it is, and this is the, so this one is, this is P1 and this is P2. So the question, the parabola is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore P1 P2 is equal to B square, P1 plus P2 is equal to, we should calculate P1 P2 is equal to what. So here A greater or equal to G, as because it is always greater or equal to A. This is always greater or equal to A is given. So A greater or equal to G. Therefore P1 plus P2 by 2 greater or equal to root over P1 P2. So that implies P1 plus P2 greater or equal to 2. P1 into P2 is equal to, we know that is B square. So it is root over of B square. Greater or equal to 2 root 9. So this is equal to 6. So the maximum possible value. So therefore maximum possible value is equal to 6. So we should calculate find the maximum possible value of A. So the maximum possible value of A is equal to 6. So this is the whole solution of question 16. Now next question is question 17. Now question 17 tells us when x is divided by 4 leaves remainder 3, then the remainder when x is divided by 4 leaves remainder 3, then the remainder when 2022 plus x whole 2022 is divided by 8. So we should calculate the remainder, and it's a binomial problem, binomial theorem based problem, and it's a memory based question. question is 25th of February 2021, shift 2. 4 options are given. So at first let's think x is equal to 4 lambda plus 3. X is divided by 4, leaves remainder 3. Okay, so x is equal to 4 lambda plus 3. Where lambda is equal to what? Where lambda is equal to, lambda belongs to I integer. Lambda belongs to I integer. So therefore 2022 plus 4 lambda plus 3, x is x 2022 plus x whole, so replace x with 4 lambda plus 3, 2022. Now expand this at first, so some calculation is done, that is 2024 plus 4 lambda plus 1 whole 2022. Now it is 4 into mu plus 1 whole 2022, where mu is belongs to n. Now expand this one, 2022 c 0 4 mu whole 2021 plus dot 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 2022 c 2021 4 nu plus 2022 c 2022. So this become 1, and value from this whole number, this is, we know here one thing, that is 2022 c1, that is equal to 2022 4 nu. So it is equal to multiple of 8. It's called multiple of 8, that is equal to, we may say 4 lambda 1 plus 1 as multiple, and 1 is, this is 1, so it is multiple of 8 and it is 1. Therefore 2022 plus x whole 2022 is equal to 8 lambda 1 plus 1. Therefore remainder is equal to what? Remainder is equal to 1. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our option is option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 17. Now moving to question 18. So question 18 tells us, if 0 less than x comma y comma z less than pi and cos x plus cos y minus cos x plus y is equal to 3 by 2, then find the value of sin x plus cos y is equal to what? So it is the question in the house of trigonometry, and it also a memory based question, and question is 25th of February 2021, shift 2 question. So at first expand this, it is cos x, cos of x plus cos of y minus cos of x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. So that implies 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 minus 2 cos square x plus y by 2, that is equal to, and 1 is here 1, so it is deducted from 3 by 2 minus 1, that is half. Now cos of x plus y by 2 is equal to, let's suppose, alpha, and cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to beta. So this become alpha square minus alpha beta plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. That implies alpha square minus beta alpha plus beta square 4. Some calculation is given for some calculation I done for solving the equation. Beta by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 0. So here we get alpha minus beta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus beta square by 4 is equal to 0. So it is greater or equal to 0. Now here pi beta square is lies between pi and 0. Therefore cos of theta, as means cos of x plus y by, that is, it is lies 1 to 0, and x plus y here next step, here we get 0 less or equal to 1 minus beta square by 4 less or equal to 1 by 4. So alpha is equal to beta by 2 and beta square is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to y. So now here minus pi by 2 less or equal to, we may say, x minus y, as cos of x minus y is equal to beta, and beta lies between 0 to pi, so x minus y by 2 is lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So cos of x is equal to half. That implies x is equal to 60 degree and x is equal to y, so 60 degree is equal to also y. Therefore we should calculate the value sin x plus cos y. Therefore sin x plus cos y is equal to it is sin 60 degree plus cos 60 degree, so it is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So option, it is our required solution, and our option is option 2 is our correct choice, root 3 plus 1 by 2. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.